Hello and welcome to another video of Trains@, and today we're at York on the East Coast Main Line, where you'll be seeing services from Northern, LNER, Transpennine Express, Grand Central, maybe cross country and some freight as well. Okay, the first train of the day, coming into platform 2 I believe, is going to be the 1410 Transpennine Express service, class 802, as she slowly rolls in. Well, actually she's going to come through here, I think. Here she is. 803002. I forgot actually it's an 803. Okay, now leaving at platform 5 is the 1411 Transpennine Express service, 802206. Okay, on platform 4, now leaving, is the Transpennine Express service, class 185, 108. A duo of them actually, 185, 108 and 185, 141. Off to somewhere mystical and magical. Okay, now leaving on platform 8 is class 195 Northern service, 195 133, bound for Blackpool North. Okay, after quite a long pause, at platform 9 here, the LNER resumer service. (801 223). Platform 10's over there, isn't it? Yeah. And also over here, at platform 10, is a cross-country Super Voyager. Class 221, 221 134. And also coming in at, what platform's that? It's 8, so at platform 6, the LNER Azuma service, class 801, 801-225. Okay, now leaving in the distance is 221134 on platform 10. And leaving over here on platform 6 is the 1435 LNER Azuma service. There she goes. And on platform 10 coming in now is what is it? A Trans-Pennine Express service, class 185, coming through. There she is. That is 185111. And also is this LNER Azuma service to Edinburgh Waverley, the late running 1435 service. Okay, over here is a Northern 158 leaving on, well, I don't know actually, platform 4, 3. It's 158869. And behind me, appearing from somewhere out of nowhere, is a cross-country Super Voyager, either class 220 or class 221. Just in the distance on platform 10, right after she came in, is the Trans-Pennine 185 service, departing for somewhere in the distance. Okay, here we have the, oh, what is this? It's a 158. We have, is it a Northern? I think it's a Northern. That's what I'm going to go with. It is as well. It's a class 158, 158-816 Northern service, bound for York. I nearly missed it over there. Is the, I think it's the late running 1443 Northern service. Class 170 leaving over there, and also coming through or coming in here is a Northern 153-341. Amazing, thank you. Okay, now leaving this platform. At platform 6 is the Cross Country Super Voyager 220021. Cross country service to Bristol Temple Meads. It's a duo of them, 220021 and 220028. Okay, coming in now is a Northern working class 158. Behind me, I think someone else is leaving. I'll have a look in a minute. Here it is. Absolutely amazing. 158. 869 again. And if I do an about turn, is one of my dad's favourites. Dad, here you go. The 1451 Grand Central service. And she's coming over it to get a good shot of her. Here it is. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. As a Grand Central service. That is 180, 102. If I do another about turn, again, is a Northern 195. It's 195018 bound for York. And I do another about turn. Look at that. Beautiful. Transpennine service working 802216. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Bound for Scarborough, I believe. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Over there is the LNER Azuma service. Worked by 800 111, and over there, I don't know if you can see, but over there is the Grand Central service leaving for I don't know. Might be London King's Cross, I think. Okay, coming into platform 9 is an LNER resumer service working a service to Edinburgh. Don't know what class it is yet. Finally, one right by me. It's been a while. Here it is. Amazing. Amazing looks. Beautiful. (801-214). A nice little toot from the driver, thank you very much. Absolutely amazing. Now departing, I think, is the, what was it again? 1453 LNER resumer service to London King's Cross only. That's got a journey and a half. I'll just come forward a little so I can see it.
Get ready to go when we've done this one. I've been here a while now.
Should be leaving anyway, it just said it was going to. Well, this one is anyway. The LNER resumer service for Edinburgh, I think.
No, this one's going.
Service to Newcastle is delayed by approximately 36 minutes. This is due to train crew being delayed. We're sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
Here we go. There's another one over there. There go all the pigeons. And if I do an about turn, the final train of the day is going to be Northern 195.
Look at this side.
You'll just catch that one.
Because it's like the cars, they go, they're travelling. Oh, no, isn't it stormy? Right. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
It's the final train of the day at York for me. 195130, working a northern service to York. So today, that is all from me at York. Goodbye. That clearly wasn't the last train of the day, as we've got a class 66. Got a class 66 coming through here. Nice little toot from the driver, thank you very much. 36156. Is the Northern 195 I saw coming through to Blackpool North, and the Northern 15816 up here. But for now, that is all from me at York. Goodbye.